You know, ladies and gentlemen, I think it comes to the point in our show. Jason, I was thinking about, let's, like, inculturate these folks, or give them a culture. We need a little culture
Microphone,
out here.
hello.
And you need your microphone turned on. Yes, and so I thought, what better way but to, pronounce some fancy Italian words and play some classical music.
I think that sounds great.
So I think all the way from Italy, let's play a little piece called Largo and Allegro. Is that what it's called?
Probably not.
Probably not, but we'll play it anyway. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Dr. Doss Phillips and Mr. Don Marlette. Yeah. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Dodge Phillips and Mr. Don Marlett. You know, I think it comes to that point in the show where I'd like to hear from you. Yes, you, the audience. And what better way than to send Daryl on out there and let's see if we can ask a few questions of you all. Daryl?
That's right. We're going to do a little question and answer. Our own kind of game show here, except we're going to do it a little special. You see, everybody's familiar with Jeopardy, but we're going to do Jeopardy backwards. You see, this time, I'm going to actually ask the questions and find answers. So let's look around here and find some...
We have a first contestant.
Oh, here's a stalwart gent. Right here. You, sir. Come on. Give him a hand, everybody. Come on.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. And what's your name?
Joseph.
Joseph. Do you have a last name, sir?
Buttafuoco.
Yeah,
Joseph
ladies and gentlemen,
Buttafuoco.
Joey Buttafuoco. Thank you.
Hey, Joey Buttafuoco!
Family show out here, anyway.
Anyway, now, sir, do you understand the game? I'll ask you a question, give you a moment to think, and then you provide an answer. And if you're close to correct, well, in fact, you could answer just about anything, and we'll give you a prize anyway.
Yeah.
Now, listen closely. This is very, very important. Do you have any grape? He's thinking hard. He's searching pockets, I think. I think it came to him. Now then, do you have any gray poupon?
Yeah, and I gotta go wipe it off.
Yeah, and Joey Buttafuoco. Thank you. So, Daryl, we have a second contestant out there.
Well, let's see.
Anyone out there? Anyone over here?
Here's
I see
somebody.
one right there somewhere.
Step. You, sir. Come on, give me a hand, everybody.
Yeah.
This isn't easy now. Hello, sir, and what's your name?
Danny?
Can you say that a little louder?
You want a gun rack?
Yeah.
Hey, Mr. Tension here. Do you have a last name, Danny?
Yes.
All right, and we'll just leave it at that.
Let's hear it for Danny. Yeah.
Now, here's the question. What, in your analysis, is the most convincing proof that Elvis is still alive? Think hard. Better yet, don't think too hard.
It's gotta think long and hard on that one, folks.
He's thinking hard, folks. Wait, he's falling asleep. And I think he has an answer.
3.
Pardon me?
3.
Yeah, ladies and
Close
gentlemen,
enough.
thank you.
All right.